This could be the car for you. The 2019 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: fog lamps, backup camera, keyless start, four-wheel drive, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, driver adjustable lumbar. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.